Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can find someone's Spotify playlist. So here I've already on Spotify, and if you want to, let's say, find your friends playlist, you can do this. So by clicking on search, and then here you just need to type in the keyword. You can either type in your friend's name or the songs that you want to hear in the playlist. So for example, I want to find the playlist from Nadia, so you can just type in Nadia here, and then here at the top you can just swipe until you find playlist like this one, and after that a bunch of playlists will show up, and if you want to listen, just click on the playlist and then click on play here. Or you can also search for a certain keywords. For example, I want to find a 90s playlist song, so you can just click on 90s and then here click on playlist, and the playlist will show up in here. Okay, so that is how for me, that's how you can find someone's Spotify playlist. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.